found is this fan is not turning because it's loose and it's hitting right here. They had told me there's noise, but I couldn't hear it because I'm hard of hearing. So there it goes. So it was all the way pushed out and not turning. You can see. Since the fan is working, I am going to put thread lock on it. Now that I pushed it on there, it doesn't want to go. Alright, that's where it was. So, I've got two types of thread lock, and I know this ain't a thread, but that's what I'm going to do.
I'm waiting on you, honey. Waiting on me? You're doing a project.
I'm putting it on the shaft right there.
What's all this fabric, huh? That was from my trash.
Trying to get it even on both sides. There. That adjustment, you can see how much space there is here. And you can see how much it's sticking out over here. Anyway, you can see the walls. This is where your drip pan is. Put this back on. Make sure you don't over tighten this. And now I'm leaving it for 30 minutes before I plug it back in.